Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Finxter.com, and in today's video, I want to welcome our new Finxter Freelancer student, Rhys. So welcome, Rhys, to the Freelancer course. Great to have you on board. I appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. So let's dive right into the content of this video. So in today's video, you're going to learn a freelance success formula that is perfect for you if you're just starting out with zero skills, but you already have an industry where you're interested in and where you want to learn more about. If you just know like the broad industry, this is fine too. So for example, if you know that you want to become a Python freelancer, then of course, I mean, it's already something, this strategy will already work like this. So the strategy is, it has worked wonders for one of our most successful freelancer students in terms of income. So if you search for Adam machine learning, something like this. Maybe he has closed his profile. So many jobs or contracts. Okay, so here you see Adam's profile. And what he did initially is to write, so he always knew that he wanted to learn about machine learning, right? And now you see his profile. He's a content creator on data science and machine learning and earning $100 per hour with high job satisfaction score and lots of earnings on the platform. And yeah, what he did initially was just to create content for Finxter and to learn, because I mean he didn't have a lot of technical background skills, so he has just finished his studies, but he hasn't programming skills at all. And you will actually in the course, Rhys, you will see Adam explaining some of the tricks he used to create a thriving freelancing business for himself. And the general strategy of Adam was to just instead of learning, like just reading and consuming, say, books and courses and everything, he learned by producing content in the industry he wanted to learn about. For example, machine learning, data science, matplotlib. In the plotting library, he wrote articles for Finxter and so on. Yeah, so he wrote articles in the fields he was interested in. And by writing, he first of all built the credibility. Second, he earned money. And third, he with credibility, I mean like ratings on Upwork, right? Testimonials from myself and from other people he wrote for, and ratings from other people, and also he's built his portfolio with links to his articles. So he has, like, by writing content yourself and publishing content, you will build credibility as a freelance developer in your industry. So this he did. Second, he earned money in the process, right? And third, he of course learned a lot, and these kind of learnings he could reuse to find follow-up gigs and better follow-up gigs, right? So this was the strategy that definitely worked for Adam, and it is a formula. Say you want to learn about Bitcoin, then you just can type in Bitcoin writer and check out, for example, this guy. He has finished like 631 of those gigs, offering 3 packages: $30, $150, $300, and yeah, these are like small articles, medium-sized articles, and large articles. And yeah, you see, these are actually this guy offers a lot of content for people in the, like, for clients in the blockchain industry, and he creates the content for those people, and they can then publish the content on their websites, right? So and of course, by doing so, this guy will learn a lot about the industry, about Bitcoin in this example, right? And if you want to, for example, learn about D-app development, then you just offer writing gigs in D-app development, and by doing so, over time, you will build in more and more profile and expertise, and this will lead to the next and the next and the next gigs. And this way, it's a nice strategy to actually get the foot in the door and to build your expertise over time and to bootstrap your freelancing business. And you can start out on the side, you can scale it up as much as you want, and there's always demand for it, right? So for example, if you want to do this for Finxter, then of course, just let us know. You can usually in the computing science space, we are very open. You can publish articles for us, and we pay you for it. And you can also do something in the blockchain industry for Finxter, or you can even do it for other companies like on Upwork and so on. And so it's definitely like a good strategy to to write and to teach and to educate in order to learn and absorb yourself, right? And to build your credibility on the platform. Okay, so this is a success formula. It's tough, but it works. It works all the time. If you're just doing it again and again and again, you will become better. Your skill will increase, and therefore the demand for your services will increase automatically. Okay, thanks for joining the Freelancer course, Rhys, and yeah, see you in the course. Bye.